think this is a dream come true right now. You promise? Okay, take the mic.
Okay, so good morning and happy Valentine's Day to all of you. So, I know people are always going to ask why we got married so young, and my answer is always going to be the same. When you know, you know. And this is how I know. I know because you make me want to be a better person. I know because I miss you so much even when you're right next to me. I know because I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Let's go! Let's go! Whoa! Oh my goodness!
I love you, Kamaria. Will you marry me?
Sorry. Congrats, my brother. One word, I beg chop life, yeah?
That's right! What? Charlie,